movable. You see, we having the handles here. This is handles here, so it's very easy to move. And also we having the brake wheel, so just the fixed gear within the brake wheel. And also, so if you want to move to use to do the cleaning, it's very easy. And here we having the wheels, and also we having the discharge port. It can be made in the screw type and also can made in French type of all course. It can be in the quick clamping. Here we having the slope here. This is slope. It's just for getting the heating oil inside to getting the tanks inside the product getting very hot. So why you can see it is very thick? It is because we having the three layers inside. The inner material is stainless steel 304. If you need, we can made in stainless steel 316. And the middle one is getting the rock wheel, and the outside wheel we just getting the stainless paint to polish them to keep the insulation. Okay, that's all. If you're interested about us, please follow us, Paint and Chemical Machine.